Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Cancer sign with the water elements. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Bibigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng June at sa papasok na July. Isang share, likes, subscribes lang po. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Hindi po ito general. Ito po is general reading, not a personal or private. If you want a private reading, feel free to contact me at my email, okay? Through my email, yan. Meron dito tinatawag the Five of Cups, yan ha. Ay, napakaganda naman na rin. Pulang-pula, diba? It's like you're very, very satisfied. Wala ka nang masasabi, wala ka nang reklamo. Maligaya ka na. O yan ba, sabihin na nating tinatawag na hindi ka na nag-iisa, diba? Yan, maaaring dito sabihin nating nararanasan mo na ang pagmamahal, diba? Nararanasan, maaring dati-rati may mga cruelties, abusiveness, pero ngayon nararamdaman mo na you are, is like tinatawag, especially for you. Yan ang tinatawag na the five. The Five of Hearts, di ba? Yan. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Eight of Clubs, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, it's about your faith. It's like tinatawag na you are spreading, okay? Your kindness, you're spreading your love, you're spreading your understanding. It's like gusto mo yakapin lahat ng tao, lahat ng mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, 'di ba? You want to embrace kahit magulang mo, 'di ba? Yan. It's like gustong-gusto mong maramdaman nila kung gaano sila kaimportante sa buhay mo. Diba? It's like dito gusto mong ipaalam sa kanila, okay? Kung gaano sila kahalaga sa iyo. Diba? It's like tinatawag, hindi kita pababayaan, hindi kita iaabandon, hindi kita iiwan. Diba? Kumbaga dito forever, ako is magsisilbi, okay? Forever, ako is narito. Yan na. So, narito yung tinatawag na the Nine of Clubs, di ba? So, for you, ibig sabihin nito, it's like tinatawag, it's about your commitment. Yan. It's about your commitment, di ba? It's like ikaw ang ate, ikaw ang kuya, ikaw ang nanay, ikaw ang tatay, ikaw ang tiya, ikaw ang tiyo, di ba? Ikaw ang leader, ikaw ang teacher. It's about playing the role, your role, okay? Your commitment. Yan. So, tingnan natin ang the Five of Hearts, okay? Napakaganda na inyong energy. Yan. The Five of Cups. Yan. It's a cups, it's a hearts. Diba? So, nakikita dito. Diba? It's like tinatawag, you want to help everybody. Diba? It's like tinatawag, it's about your interaction. Diba? How you interact with your family, your children, your cousins, relatives, to others, colleagues, friends, how you interact, diba? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag your presence, diba? It's like tinatawag very, very sports-minded kayo, hindi kayo napipikon. Diba? Yan. So, for some of you, it's about your childliness, childness, diba? Yan. Kumbaga dito tinatawag, gustong-gusto mo yung interaction to others. Yan ha, kita mo. Align na align ha. Okay. Sa mga mahal na Cancer. So, whatever is this, tinatawag na the moon, okay? That is your head. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yan. It's about your longing. Yan, you are longing. To whom you are longing, diba? It's about nakikita dito. You are longing for someone. You are longing for the, tinatawag, na gusto mo ba ang tinatawag na namimiss mo ba or tinatawag na gustong-gusto mo ang pagmamahal ng isang asawa, ng isang kaibigan, ng pamilya. Why you are so long? It's like narito yung tinatawag longing, okay? Pangungulila. Yan, nangungulila. Yan na, for some of you, nangungulila. Despite nakikita ko sa inyo dito yung tinatawag your interactions, especially sa outside, with your friends, with your colleagues, kung sino man itong mga taong ito. Pero, when yung tinatawag, pag sarado na ang pinto, okay, nasa loob ka na, nobody can see you. Nakikita na dito ang iyong pangungulila. Okay? And you are praying so hard. Diba? You are praying so hard. Yan. You are talking to God. You're always talking to God. It's like nagkikwento ka sa Diyos ng iyong pangungulila. Diba? So, tingnan ko lang ha. Okay. Yan no. Transformation. Yan na. Kung ano man itong transformation na ito. Okay. Sandali lang. Okay. Ibig sabihin nito. Yan o. Darating sa iyo. The transformation. Okay. Kung nangungulila. Kung sino ano itong pangungulila mo. Diba? Kakaroon ng tinatawag na ending. Okay. Ending. Yan na. Nakikita ko dito for some of you. Okay? Napakaseryoso ninyong tao. Very, very serious kayo. Yan. It's like tinatawag dito na sineseryoso mo ang buhay mo. Sineseryoso mo ang trabaho mo. Sineseryoso mo ang relationship mo. Sineseryoso mo ang pagpapalaki sa mga anak mo. Sineseryoso mo ang tungkulin mo bilang asawa, 'di ba? Sa asawa mo, sineseryoso mo ang pagiging ate mo sa mga kapatid mo. Sineseryoso mo ang pagiging anak mo sa magulang mo, 'di ba? Sineseryoso mo, okay? Ang tinatawag na responsibilities, duties na ibinigay sa iyo halimbawa ng employers mo, 'di ba? Yan. So it's about you obedience, because you are very, very obedient. Okay? Because of your obedience, you will be rewarded. Okay? So, yan ang nakikita ko sa inyo. Ha? Yan. Kita ninyo, the bottom cards, you will be rewarded. All your prayers will be answered. Okay? What you are seeking, you will. Ito yung tinatawag, seek and you will find. Knock and it shall be open unto you. Yan ha. Okay? Yan, so narito ang tinatawag na the hangman. Ibig sabihin nito, no more sadness, no more loneliness. Yan na. Because ito yung tinatawag na bababa ka na sa pagkakabitin mo. Because the door, what you are seeking, you will find it. It will be open to you. Kaya dito, yan o. Kung ano man itong pinagdadasal mo, sinusumbong mo sa Diyos, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yan it will be given unto you, okay? What you are praying for, it will be given unto you, okay? You just be kind to yourself, continue praying, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, patuloy ang paniniwala, okay? Yan. Seek and you shall find, knock and it will open unto you, and you will have what you are praying. A good marriage, wealth, love relationship, career, health, diba? Profession, a home, a happy home, properties, jewelries, yan no. Sabihin nito, it will be given unto you. Okay?